Okay, this is what we're doing today. We're gonna clean the truck because it's fucking nasty. See what I mean? How nasty it is? Look at that. Ugh. Got the salt. Got that white option for all the salt and shit. We gotta go clean it off. So real quick, before we go and watch this thing, I forgot to show you all. If you follow me on any of the Facebook groups or anything like that, my latest modification here. Got the old WeatherTech rear floor mat. I don't know if you can see that. I know the back seat's a mess. Kid sits back there and stuff. So first we gotta get some caffeine. Then we gotta wash this. All right, this is gonna be for one of my buddies, my best friends, Matt. He's got a Tacoma. Love those trucks. They're great trucks. This dude wants to put a freaking roof rack on it. I'm like, dude, you got a truck. Why the fuck are you putting a roof rack on your shit? Let's see here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Dude's got a fucking roof rack on his truck. Oh, sorry, it got bright. It's dark in here. Look at that. Cool truck, except the Mizzou sticker and the roof rack. Love you, man. Here goes one of my buddies. Ran into him. I don't know if you can see. The cop car there. Real good buddy of mine. Now we're finally getting fucking gas and get some caffeine and heading to the car wash. And people watching here. Quick Trip. It's never a dull moment. Great hot dogs. Still here getting gas. This is a really stupid video. But look at this. Look at this. I told you all the there's good people watching. I'm not about making fun of people. I mean, I make fun of my friends and stuff because they're assholes. Sorry, lady. This dude's got a satchel, man. You can't see it. Like I said, I've no room to make fun of anybody. But Harrison Ford had one. Whatever the quote is from The Bachelor. God damn it, he must have put it in his car. Probably where he keeps his virginity. Okay, so here's the thing that irritates me. See, all these people are in line, right? Which I get it. You gotta wash your shit today. No big deal. The problem is, they're all going through the touch car wash. Like, this person with the black Tahoe, I don't know why you do that, man. That's Swarmark City. My shit's black. we aren't doing the touch. You gotta do the touchless, or else it'll look like hammered ass. So, this F-150 looks good. Roush F-150 pulling out here. Nice truck. Anyways, I don't think he used the touch. That's clean. Gotta go touchless, friends. Alright, so we're waiting here to get in. We're in line now. A lot of people ask what my favorite modification of the truck was. Probably my HID retrofit. I talked about that a little bit last time. The Bilsteins are cool, man. It rides good. Got the new premium gauge cluster coming tomorrow. I'm pretty excited about that. Oh, we're moving up now. Gonna get clean. So here's what I don't get. It says please wait, the wash is being used. Like I'm just gonna pull ahead and just run into the back of a fucking Kia Soul. Really, my main reason for doing the video today is there's a new app I'm trying out. It'll allow me to record something and then stop and then come back and start recording again. Whereas the regular camera app, yeah, I'm still using a phone. I don't think that's going to change. The regular camera app, you record a video and then it's done. I don't know how to splice those together. So we're going to try this out. There's going to be a dumb, pointless vlog about me going to the goddamn car wash and getting gas, and I got an energy drink. That's kind of cool. You aren't supposed to drink a whole one of these. It says it's got like danger warnings and shit on here, so I'm sure it's good. I'm sure it's real good for me. But all right, so we're gonna not run into this Kia as long as y'all are still with me here. And we're gonna go in and wash this shit, and then go home and see how it turned out. This wash does pretty good. Usually you need to touch it up a little bit, but I can't complain for a a touchless automatic. Washes off the salt and shit from the bottom of the truck and stuff. Real cool, quick tip. If you've got a sprinkler, if you're a homeowner, you should have a sprinkler. You got to water your fucking yard in August and stuff because it looks like ass if you don't. But I've seen guys take the sprinkler and put it under the truck, you know, connect to the hose and turn it on, and it washes all the salt and stuff out from under the truck. I thought that was kind of cool. So I haven't tried it yet. I just recently saw that. Gotta get a new sprinkler. Mine broke. So, anyways, that's a hot take. All right, pulling in the car wash now. Love you. All right, we made it in without running into anything. Would you just look at it? Look, it's going around washing our shit. Oh, ain't that pretty? There you have it. Don't know why I needed to update, but I did. All right, real quick, the tax guy here. I don't recommend choosing your tax professional by someone standing on the corner, but I hope he's making like 20 bucks an hour. It's warm today. It was shitting cold the rest of the week. He should be getting paid something decent. So, where'd you go, man? Good on you for having a job. I don't know where he went, but let's see here. Oh yeah, he's just standing there now. So at this light, this lane ends, everybody wants to take off on you. It's always funny. Let's see if this guy here does. Yeah, not today, buddy. That's why I get shitty gas mileage. But it's fun. Glad we get that in the video. It's a Ford Focus. Way back. I don't know if you can see it or not. Probably not. It was all white, washed out. So, almost back home. All right, here's that same Focus pulling up here. He didn't look happy. I think he's with his mom, actually, so now I feel kind of bad. All right, so see, they really do a pretty good job. Okay, well, shit, I spoke too soon. I mean, hit that with a quick detailer. That was from the ride home, but, I mean, it's not bad. Headlights are still on. So, yeah, it does all right. For $9, I could stay in the truck and talk to you fine people. So, all right, well, that's gonna conclude today's video. Ignore my WeatherTech box out there. I threw that out of the back of the truck before I went to the car wash. But yeah, we'll do another upload here before long, and hope you liked it. If you didn't, I'll be happy to refund you what it cost me to make this, which is jack shit. And as always, like, subscribe. Have a good day, y'all.